Assalamualaikum, Tatahau, Vanakkam, and hello everyone. First, I'm gonna to introduce to you guys my group's member. Like you guys can see below, this is my group member. Okay, I will introduce one by one of my group's member. First, we have Shahida. Second, we have AMEERA. Third, we have NAJIHA, and lastly, me, Muhammad SAIFUN ANUAR. Today I'm gonna be first presenter of my group member to present our assignment about poster MNS 4201 marine safety, and it's about benefit of using Google in marine safety. And this what we include in our poster. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my group assignment poster. Let's not waste our time. And the title of the poster are the PEP Google. You guys might may ask why we choose Google, right? Okay, I will explain that first. First, why we choose Google? Because of eyes. Yeah, because of eyes. Like we know, eyes are the most important part of our body, and it will secure our self in the workplace. So Google will prevent foreign object into eyes that at the workplace. So to be more specific, Google or personal protective equipment may be used only when risk cannot be avoided or reduced to an acceptable level by safe working practice that cause no health risk to any worker. Personal protective also equipment must be used only when risk cannot be avoided or reduced to an acceptable level by safe working practice that cause no health risk to any worker. Protectors are available in wide variety designed to international standard specifications to protect against these different type of hazards. Okay, next we're gonna go through more deeper about this assignment, and that will be explained by my group's member. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJIHA binti JEBRI. I will briefly explain about the objective of our assignment. First is introducing Google improvement, use on board and import. Second is to reduce the risk of accident and injuries that can occur on board and in import. The last one is to improve the quality of daily work, which is this one is specific for the workers. Next, I will explain the case study that related to our product. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJIHA binti JEBRI. I will explain the case study that related to our product. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 20,000 eye injuries occur in workplace each year. They range from superficial eye injuries to permanent eye damage, like vision loss and blindness. The majority of eye injuries occur from sharp objects, metal, or dangerous particles. Chemical splashes also can be one of the causes. In Canada, there are also cases when injuries occur due to workers are uncomfortable wearing the goggles. Sometimes the goggles fog up, and when the weather is too hot, the goggles cause headache. So the workers do work without wearing any goggles. Profit of goggles also can cause eye fatigue. When the size of the goggle does not match the shape of an individual face, harmful particles can get into the eyes. I think that's all my explanation about the case study. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL binti AZIZAN. S55084. So I will explain about my part, which is the functions of the Googles. When the user wear these goggles, they are given a lot of protection, such as warning sign. Warning sign through the glasses. This means the goggles can detect the weather fire hazard distance. It's like be able to detect or measure the distance of the danger. Then, capable of detecting eyes injury and sending SOS to authorities, such as capable of detecting body temperature if the user gets an imbalance while doing the cutting, and also can detect an incident if anything happens to the user by making a direct emergency call. And the lastly is this goggles is using polycarbonate and tempered glass for lenses. This is suitable eye protections when using gas welding or high oxygen cutting. It provides better protection than regular safety glasses from any high impact, dust, and also radiation hazards. Okay, next, the characteristic of these goggles. These goggles is using magnetic charging, and the color options of these goggles is black. And the most important is this goggle is lightweight. Okay, a soft nose pad, and lastly is this goggle is adjustable size. This is because this goggle were made of impact resistance polycarbonate. So these goggles will stay in the right shape for long and protect the eyes from foreign bodies. These goggles can even fit over your prescriptions glasses, letting almost everyone protect eye effectively. Okay, so we go to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is AMEERA SYAFEEQAH binti AHMAD SYAFEII and my matric card number is S55373. So I'm going to explain about how our PEP goggle operate. Our PEP goggle is really easy to operate because it is designed to help worker and also reducing worker distress. In order to turn on our PEP goggle, we only need to double click at the side of the goggle. It will automatically turn on when we double click. It also have appropriate sensitivity so that when we make mistake by click it several times, it will not turn on. To turn it off, we can simply do single click. As I mentioned it before, it has appropriate sensitivity, so when you press it multiple times, it will not turn off. After using goggles, it need to store in the casing provided. This is because when it's stored in the casing, it will automatically charge so that the next person can use it immediately. This will make sure that the worker doesn't need to wait to fully charge in order to use it. So, in conclusion, our innovation are able to help to prevent eye injury in workplace. By changing the material of the common safety glasses, the glass are able to become more durable and able to withstand any force. Other than that, using AI technology also become a big help to the person if there is any injury or distress situation that happen. By having our innovation, the percentage of eye injury in workplace are able to reduce. It also can help to make worker become more comfortable wearing this goggle and help to prevent distraction. Employer also doesn't need to buy various size because our goggle have function to fit various size of head. This also can help to cut down company costs because the employer doesn't need to buy various size of safety glasses. So that's all from us. Thank you very much.